Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's Peachy Presh. Today I'm talking all about natural hair care accessories and items that you should have in your natural hair care kit, box, or bag. Whatever it is that you keep your natural hair care items, you may want to consider picking up a few of these things. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started with our first product. Alright, so first up is a water bottle or sprayer or mister. This is a mister. It's something that not a mister, but a mister. All right, anyway, so this is a water bottle continuous sprayer. So basically just continues to spray as you pump, and it's good for just kind of like getting all over your hair. And it's really good for just keeping that moisture. We love moisture around here. I talk about it like all the time on my channel. Definitely pick these up. This is something that you can find on Amazon. You can also find in your local Sally Beauty. Next up are some hair scarves. I have plenty in colorful hair scarves. Yes. So definitely get you some hair scarves. You can find these at your local beauty supply store. You can probably find these on Amazon. And these are good for, you know, protecting your hair at night when you go to sleep. I don't always wear these like every night. I know that it's recommended for you to wear this with like a bonnet, which I got my handy dandy nifty bonnet here as well. Yes. Next up we have some grapeseed oil. Now I picked up this because I heard that it's really good for low porosity hair, and just oils in general are really good to have on hand to help seal the hair and to help promote hair growth. Kind of like I have an argan oil that is really good, that is supposed to help stimulate and provide some hair growth. So oils, we love oils around here. Next up is a hair scalp massager. And I have never used one of these before, but I wanted to go ahead and give it a try because I felt like, you know, it will help with the shampooing process, with kind of like lifting that dirt or dandruff off of your hair. Gives you a nice little massage or whatever. I got this from Amazon as well. And let's go ahead and open this before my camera dies. So it looks like this. And you just, you know, okay. And I got this from Amazon, if I didn't say that already. It was like $8 or $9. Okay. All right, next up is just this mirror. Got this from Dollar Tree. Little mirror to make sure you can see like what you're doing. Admire yourself. Okay, beauty. Okay. Why am I so corny? Why? Yeah. The next couple of items that you're going to see, I also purchased from the Dollar Tree. Y'all, don't sleep on the Dollar Tree. Is just what I gotta say. Don't sleep on Dollar Tree because they have a really nice natural hair accessories, and not even necessarily natural hair accessories, but just hair accessories in themselves. First off, well, I didn't get these from Amazon. I didn't get these from Dollar Tree. I actually got these ones from Amazon. This one, and then these as well. And these are like little satin scrunchies, really cute to, you know, accessorize with and put your hair up at night as well to minimize any breakage. Now, I went to Dollar Tree because, hey y'all, apologies, my camera died and I had to go and charge it. I definitely should have did that before I started filming, but such is life, and I don't have a backup battery, but I will be getting one. So I left off talking about my hair scrunchies, and these ones I got from Amazon, but I found some at the Dollar Tree, and I found This one, it's like a little chevron. Is this considered chevron? I don't know. This one here, actually basically in different colors. Got a red one, red and white one, and a black and white one. So those are the three I found at Dollar Tree. Just $1. Just a hairband. And let me tell y'all, this is quality. Like, I don't know if you guys can tell, but it's super thick. The color is nice and cute and purple. Purple is one of my favorite colors, or is my favorite color. And it just, like, this is a scunchie. I don't know if it's called scunchie or, yeah, I think it's called scunchie. Anyways, whatever. But $1, Dollar Tree. I feel like if you were to go to Target and try to get this same hairband, this will cost you at least $10. But if you go to Dollar Tree, only $1. So yeah, I got that. Then I also picked up these little hair clips. And I found these. I don't know, they're like little hair bands, like elastic little hair bands. Kind of use them to just like, almost finished. I also picked up these. Ooh, this is so white and bright. Let me take it off the, these are just some hair clips. I don't know if you guys can tell. Oh, it's so bright. There we go. These are just like some hair clips, you know. Put in here, put them up however you want to wear your hair, you know. And I got 2 of those, and these are super quality too. Next up, I got a hair donut. And I really should be wearing it now so it can look real cute and very uniform. Is that the word I'm looking for? Just more sleek, I guess. Hair donut. I didn't have one of these, and I think that like if you wear your hair up in like a bun to get that cute, just very sleek look, do a little hair bun. If you wear a lot of ponytails or you wear a lot of buns. One of the last things I got, actually this is not the last thing. So obviously every natural, anybody who got hair on the head uses some bobby pins, and this is a 72 pack, but you know these go missing. They kind of just, like at night, I think they get up and then they just walk away, kind of like any type of hair bands or hair clips. They just get up and walk away, so you got to make sure you buy a lot of these. I only bought 1 pack, but Dollar Tree, y'all, you can go and buy as many as you want. And yes, so also I did also pick up a couple other things from Amazon, and they didn't arrive yet. They're gonna arrive probably tomorrow. But by the time you guys see this video, it would have already arrived. So I went ahead and picked up, I don't know if you guys can tell, but basically it's one of those hair detanglers, kind of like a Denman brush or kind of like a tangle teaser, but this one is a little bit different. I'll probably post it on my Instagram once I do actually get it in, so make sure you guys are following me on Instagram. That's where I post all of my like pictures and everything like that. Some videos I post there as well. I also did buy some hair clips just because you know, like when I'm trying to section my hair and stuff like that. I do have some of the hair, they're not duck bills, but they kind of look like duck bills. I have some of those, but I wanted to get like the hair clips to just make sure that I can scoop all my hair in one. And that's pretty much it for this video. Those are all of my natural hair accessories and items that I've purchased over the past couple of days. Most of the items are from Dollar Tree, like I said, and then also Amazon. So these are really affordable products that you can pick up, and things that are, you know, cute to accessorize your hair with as well. So hopefully you guys pick some of these items up, because like I said, they are affordable. Nonetheless, thank you all so much for watching this video and taking the time out of your day to hear what I have to say. So thank you so much. Take care. Peace.